Alright, you have decided it's finally the time to start exercising. Well, congratulations, you have taken the first step on your way to a new and improved body and mind. Exercising regularly is one of the best things you can do to your health. In this video, we're going to talk about why exercise, some common types of exercises, and finally, how to get started with exercising. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I'm going to give you a simple 1 week exercise program. Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Insiders, and if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to learn more about health, nutrition and fitness, and all the videos are research based and backed by science. First, let's talk about why should you exercise. Regular exercise has been shown to significantly improve your health. Its greatest benefits include helping you achieve and maintain a healthy body weight, maintains muscle mass and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Research also shows that exercise can lift your mood, boost your mental health, and can help you sleep better. And that's not all, it can also help you maintain a good energy levels. In short, exercise is very powerful and can change your life. There are various types of exercises that you can do. Some of the major ones are aerobic. This is usually the core of any fitness program. It includes the periods of continuous movements such as swimming, running, or dancing. Second, strength. This helps you increase your muscle power and strength, such as resistance training, weightlifting, sprinting, and plyometrics. Third, calisthenics. These are basic body movements done without gym equipment and at a medium aerobic pace, such as lunges, sit-ups, push-ups, and pull-ups. Fourth, high-intensity interval training. These include repetitions of short bursts of high-intensity exercises followed by a low-intensity exercise or rest periods. Fifth, flexibility. These aids in muscle recovery, maintains a range of motions, and prevent injuries, such as yoga or individual muscle stretch movements. All these exercises that I just mentioned can be done individually or combined. The important thing is to do what suits your best and to have fun with it. Next, how to get started with exercising. Well, it is important for you to consider a few things before you start an exercise routine. Number 1, check your health. It is very important to consult with your doctor and get a physical medical examination before starting an exercise routine. This is particularly important for people who are not used to strenuous physical activities as well as people aged 45 and above. It can also help you optimize your workouts, thus making it easier for you and your personal trainer to understand your limitations and create an exercise plan that fits to your particular needs. Next, make a plan and set realistic goals. Once you decide to start exercising regularly, try to create a plan that includes attainable steps and goals. One way to do this is to start with a plan of easy steps to follow. Then you can continue building on it as your fitness level improves. For example, if your goal is to finish 2-mile runs, you can start by building a plan that includes shorter runs. Starting with a small goal will not only increase your chances of success, it will also keep you motivated every step of the way. Last, make it a habit. Another key component of exercise success is to stick to your routine. It seems to be easier for people to maintain an exercise routine in the long term if they make it a habit and do it regularly. Also, making a schedule or exercising at the same time every day are good ways to sustain your routine and make it last. For example, you can make exercise a habit by planning to work out right after work every single day. Alright, here is an easy to follow 1 week exercise program that does not require equipment and will only take 30 to 45 minutes a day to complete. This program can be adjusted to your fitness level and can be made as challenging as you want. Monday, 40-minute moderate pace jog or brisk walk. Tuesday, rest day. Wednesday, walk for 10 minutes, then complete the following circuits, resting for 1 minute after each set, but not between exercises. Make sure to stretch afterwards. Circuit number 1, 3 sets of alternating 10 lunges for each leg, 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups. Circuit number 2, 3 sets of alternating 10 chair dips, 10 jumping jacks and 10 air squats. Thursday, rest day. Friday, 30-minute bike ride or moderate pace jog. Saturday, rest day. Sunday, run, jog or take a long walk for about 40 minutes. The 1 week program that I just mentioned is just a simple sample to get you started. You can try different workout ideas and plans which you can look up on YouTube. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys walked away by learning something new and a little bit of motivation to start exercising. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to us. Also, tell us in the comment section if you're currently exercising or what is your status on that. I respond to all the comments that you guys send it to us. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in next one. Peace.